Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting immediate access to the vent. Go to the attic or roof now. Once there, you inspect the vent pipe where it passes the roof or attic because leaks and blockages are most visible at joints. This is how you find the failure point. Make sure to support yourself on a stable ladder and wear eye protection. Cutting or dislodging debris will release dust. Remove insulation around the stack so you can see connections, and test the joint by moving the pipe gently to feel for play. Once you've exposed the damaged area, you clear the vent first because throat blockages change pressure and mask leak locations. You feed a snake or run a hose up the stack, then recheck airflow by doing a quick flush upstairs. Improved flow confirms clearance. If the pipe is cracked, you cut back 2 to 3 inches into solid material, then install a rubber coupling and tighten stainless clamps. This creates a flexible, sealed repair. Make sure to solve and weld PVC where required, because you finish by securing the roof penetration, reseat the flashing, and replace the neoprene boot if cracked, because most external leaks come from failed roof seals rather than the pipe itself. Apply roofing cement under the flashing lip and press the boot snugly around the stack. Once sealed, test the system. Run the toilet and observe for proper venting, and use soapy water or a smoke test to find air leaks. If you still see leaks or odors, retighten clamps or call a licensed plumber to replace the full vent stack.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.